The spark plug uses the electricity generated by the ignition coil to create a spark which ignites the air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber. The intense heat in the combustion chamber, along with high voltage used for ignition, will cause the spark plug to wear. The electrodes will wear away with use, causing a weak or inconsistent spark. If the fuel mixture isn't just right, the spark plug can become coated with carbon or tar, again causing weak or inconsistent spark. If the fuel mixture is too lean, or if the wrong spark plug is used, the ceramic insulator can be cracked. The spark plug should be inspected often and replaced at least once per year, or more often as needed. Replacing the spark plug is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the top cover from the saw. Now I have access to the spark plug. I'll open the spark plug door, remove the boot, and remove the spark plug. Now I can install the new spark plug. Before I thread it into place, I'll need to check the gap between the electrodes. In this case, it should be 26 thousandths of an inch. I'll use a spark plug gapping tool to check the gap, and this is just slightly tight. So I'll open the gap, check it again, and that looks good. With the spark plug properly gapped, I'll thread it into the engine and tighten it in place with my socket wrench. I'll reinstall the boot and close the door. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the top cover. And that's all it takes to install a new spark plug in your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.